De nada. Hi, kitties. You want some of that? Excuse me. Excuse me. Come on. Shouldn't be this difficult. Oh, don't fight. There's plenty for everyone. Okay, I'm gonna have to use a spoon. Okay, here we go. This is new stuff. Yeah, I know it's taking forever. Hold on, hold your little kitty horses. Does it smell good? Does it smell awesome? Hey, wait your turn. No fighting. If you guys fight, then nobody gets it. I'll give it to Marble. Hey! Let me see it one more time and give this to Marble. Here you go, honeys. Here you go, happy kitties. Here, come on, June. Over here. Over here. Yeah. Happy kitties. Look at you guys feasting. Yeah. Happy feasting kitties. Happy. And now it's your turn, Marble. Yeah. You get the rest. You get the rest. Yeah. And you do. Just be patient. Just wait a couple seconds longer. Just wait. Feed you last. Because you're gulping. Wait, taste it. Taste it. Don't just eat it. You silly goof. You don't even taste it. You just want it in your stomach because it smells good. You silly animals. Spoon. You can't eat the spoon. You can't eat the spoon. You can't eat the spoon, you silly dog. Okay, that's it. There's no more. There's none left. Get to lick the spoon. Just like I did with cookies. Okay, that's it. Marble, love you. More.